Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today we are going to learn one of the most powerful dua which was made by Prophet Yunus alayhi salam. Prophet Yunus alayhi salam made this dua in the belly of the whale, and it is mentioned by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala in the glorious Quran in Surah Al-Anbiya, verse number 87. The dua is La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu Minadh-Dhalimeen. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu Minadh-Dhalimeen. Let us now break down this dua word by word to understand it more clearly. La ilaha illa anta. La means no. Ilaha means God. Illa means except, and anta means you. La ilaha illa anta means there is no God except you. Subhanaka. Subhanaka means glory be to you. Subhanaka means glory be to you. Inni kuntu Minadh-Dhalimeen. Inni means indeed. Kuntu means I am. Min means of. Dhalimeen means the wrongdoer. Inni kuntu Minadh-Dhalimeen means indeed I am of the wrongdoers. Let us now revise the whole dua once again. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu Minadh-Dhalimeen. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu Minadh-Dhalimeen. There is no God except you. Glory be to you. Indeed, I am of the wrongdoers. One of the hadith of At-Tirmidhi, it is mentioned that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, recite the dua of Prophet Yunus alayhi salam and ask to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah ta'ala will bless you. Hope you have understood the meaning of this dua. Please like this video, share with your friends and family members, and please subscribe to our Islamic channel Islam the Infinite Light.